What's going on, guys? This is Dio from Red Diamond Mobile Auto Detailing. Today I'm going to be talking about the VX5000. Now, as far as what it can, what it can't do, why you would put that into your business or why you would use it as a DIY guy, I've got a video that I'll link down below, basically showing a full interior video on exactly what I do with the VX5000 and how, if you're a business owner, how profitable it can be for you to invest in a machine like this. Really any steamer. I'm not even going to say just the VX5000. I swear by it. I've had this machine for like 7 years. I have never had an issue with it. The owner's really cool. So I mean that's what I stand by. But as far as just a steamer goes, just as a broad sense, it can be very profitable to you as a DIY guy. It can cut down drastically on how much time it takes to actually detail your own car. So today's video is not so much about what it can and can't do. It's actually a problem that I have with the VX5000, and I'll show you right here. So. Okay, so obviously, loosey-goosey, not a good thing. This is a, $1,000 machine, $800 machine, somewhere around that ballpark. And to carry it with a handle that's barely hanging on, very, not comforting. So anyways, today I'm going to show you how to exactly tighten this handle up. If I'm having an issue with it, I'm assuming that maybe somebody else has an issue with it. So when I make any of these videos. So I'm going to tighten the handle, but this is a good opportunity to kind of open up the VX5000. I looked on YouTube because I wanted to know exactly how to do it, and I didn't see any YouTube videos. So I spoke with the owner, the designer, about this, and he kind of told me step by step. It seems really, seems kind of easy to do, but I don't like just taking apart things without knowing exactly where I'm going. So anyways, this video is for anybody who has a VX5000 and has a loose handle. So let me angle this camera a little bit better. All right, so here we are. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the pressure relief cap off. For all of you who have VX5000s, you would know that this is where you would put the water into the boiler, right? So we're going to take the cap off, right? Let's set that to the side, and then we're going to actually remove the grommet, right? And then the next thing that we're going to do, I'm going to get this cord out of my way. Yeah, like I said, I know this doesn't look appealing. Don't judge it by that. It has definitely really outlasted what I thought it was going to last as far as quality goes. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take this skirt, this rubber skirt, and let's go up with it. Back. So, just going to go around the machine. Lift it up from the corners. Alright, so got that out of the way, and now we've exposed, there are 4 screws, little bitty ones, all around the perimeter of this. So I'm going to set this back down. And then we go get a screwdriver. Alright. So now, just gonna go around and remove these tiny little screws. And below here, I've actually got a metal tray. Because once these little ones roll away, it's the end of it. So. This is the part that I was nervous about, and this is why I called the inventor of this, the owner. Talked to him about it because my fear would be I would remove this and then it wouldn't prime, right? So, okay. All right. Okay, so here we go. So we got the lid off. So we've got the boiler here, and this is a pouch. I'm assuming that this is basically just to keep the boiler warm for a longer period of time. And then you've got pumps, and you've got all your modules and switches, basically control how much water and steam that you want to apply. I do have a little bit of corrosion right there that I want to clean up, and but none of the electronics seem to be corroded at all. It's actually a lot cleaner than I thought it was going to be. This has been stored in a garage for, like I said, years, and it's seen many miles. So when you're opening up the steamer to tighten the handle, you are not messing with the boiler or anything like that. It's just the housing. So to give you a little bit of peace of mind when you're doing this, there's no way to mess this up. So when you open this up, there's no risk of messing anything up. Just when you're removing the lid, just be careful not to jerk any of the wires too much or anything like that. So, and then when you put it back in, make sure that everything's connected, you know, and that everything fits nice and snug. So, like I said, I'm gonna clean all this up and kind of make it, you know, nice and neat. As far as the handle goes, which is the whole reason why we're here, I think this is a T20. I don't have these are not labeled, but it's around that size. But anyways, it's a T-screw, and seems simple enough. Just come in here and tighten it, right? It's these, make sure I get this in the camera shot. These two screws right here, those are it. Just go in here. Just be careful about how snug you make it. These are plastic handles, of course, so definitely don't want to break it. The whole reason of this handle is because the housing can get a little warm with the boiler, but it's not going to get hot or anything like that. As far it in my experience. So, but that's all we needed right there. So that was basically the goal, and we did it. Now we've got a real nice snug handle, and learned a little bit more about our machine. You know, which I think that's always cool. So like I said, I'm going to kind of clean up some of this corrosion and make sure all the wires and all the harnesses are nice and snug the way that they should be. But this is what the interior of a VX5000 looks like. Simple, yep, works. Like I said, it's worked. I bought this in 2013. And being a business owner since 2013, I've used this on every interior that I've ever done, so it's got a lot of miles on it, and I've been very happy with this purchase and investment. So anyways, figured to shoot this quick video. If you have any questions or comments about anything detailing wise or the VX5000, you can always email me at dogreen@ymail.com. I'll put that in the description. And as always, guys, appreciate it, and I'll see you out in the field.